Hi friends, so many of you guys have asked us to show you how to do a French braid or a Dutch braid on yourself. It's such a versatile braid and I feel like if you don't know how to do it, sometimes you're limited in what you can do for your hair. So if you don't know how, keep watching because it's the best braid. Before we get into how to do this braid, be sure to hit the like button for us so that more people can see our content, and also subscribe so that you can get new inspiration for your beauty routine every single week. Alright, so I'm going to start by parting my hair in the middle all the way down and in the back. And then I'm just going to split it up. I'm probably going to tie this one off, just because it makes it easier for me to be able to do it, especially since you're doing it on yourself, you're not looking in the mirror and all that good stuff, so it helps a lot actually. So I have this one all sectioned off so I don't confuse myself, and then I'm going to take a small section in the front of my other side, split it into 3, and I'm actually going to show you guys how to do a Dutch braid. It's very similar to the French braid, but instead of putting them over top of the middle piece, you're just going to tuck them under the middle piece, and it's way better. I think it shows way more, and it's my personal favorite. So I'm going to take this one side closest to my hairline, tuck it under, and then switch them. And then I'm going to take this one and cross it under. And then I'm going to come back over here and cross the one near my hairline under. And then I'm just going to take a small section from my hairline and add it in with that piece. And then I'm just going to take the other side and add more in with it and cross it under. And then I just continue doing those same steps all the way down. It's so easy. Minutes to like figure out the way to move your hands, but once you get the technique down, it's so fast and so easy. And sectioning this one section off while you're doing the other, if you're doing it on yourself, actually does make a huge difference, especially for me, because you don't start confusing yourself. And as you can see, once I take that extra section to add in, I try to just smooth it out a little bit so that it doesn't create like huge humps in your hair, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit closer of a view. I'm going to take the side that's over here, I'm going to cross it and hold it with my second and third finger. And then I'm going to take this side and pull it all the way over. Then I'm going to hold this with my third finger and thumb. Then I'm going to pull my index finger and hold this one as well. So I have them kind of sectioned away from each other. And then I'm going to take this one with my third finger and pull it. And then I'm going to take the one that I'm holding with my index finger and thumb and bring it over. And then I'm just going to do the same thing, holding this one with my third finger and my forefinger. I come and hold this one with my index finger and thumb again, sectioning it off, and then literally do the same thing. So you're just kind of rotating fingers. I know it looks kind of complicated, but it's really not. Once you try it, it kind of just falls into place. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like from the back. So here it goes. Okay, so I have my 2 little braids done, but my favorite thing about a braid like this is just making it look thick and full. I have somewhat fine, thin hair, and this makes such a big difference, but it really makes a difference on anyone. Even if you have thick hair, it just makes it look so pretty and bohemian and effortless. So I just kind of take tiny little sections from each side and barely like pull on them. And it really helps with making your braid look full. Okay, I just want to show you guys the difference of what a braid looks like when you just braid it and don't fluff it. And then when you like pancake it out, it looks so much better this way, I think. But if you prefer it to be really tight, then this one works too. And then that's all. So it's super easy. Practice it a couple times and you'll realize that it's not that hard. It just takes a little bit of time to figure out how to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and be sure to let us know if you try it. We love seeing your pictures and videos.